In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can create a private group chat on Instagram. You can simply create a group chat which is private on Instagram in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up into your Instagram. Head into the message section. Then tap right here on this detail icon. Select the option of create a group chat. You will have to add people you would want into your group chat. Then tap on create chat. Your group chat is created successfully. To make it private, simply double check down and see if the invitation link is enabled. Just tap on invitation link. Enable this option on if disabled. Then copy the group invitation link to share it to anyone you would like to join your Instagram group chat. That's how easy it is to create a private group chat on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.